Hey everyone, let's talk about how to fix Kik account not verified. So to fix this issue, it depends on whether you are dealing with email or phone setup or trying to get the official verified streamer checkmark. So to fix email or verification issues, if you aren't receiving a 6-digit code or the verification email link, just go to your email, then tap on the three-line menu at the top left corner, and then scroll down to junk or spam folder to ensure the message hasn't been filtered. Now the next what you can do is verify phone number. Make sure that the number is typed exactly with the correct country code. If you aren't receiving the SMS, try including a leading zero or vice versa. Now the next what you can do is refresh the network. Just toggle the airplane mode on for 10 seconds and then off to refresh your mobile carrier's connection. Now the next what you can do is fix the creator verification issues. If you meet the broadcast criteria but are rejected or stalled for the official verified streamer checkmark, you must have 2FA enabled at least 3 on-channel VODs in the past 30 days and 0 terms of service violation in the last month. If your channel dashboard states you are eligible but verification hasn't gone through, reach out directly from your account's registered email to verify@kik.com. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.